What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there today? You know what, guys, today we got another unboxing. You know what? I ordered this from Amazon. You can order from Amazon and have it shipped to the Philippines. The thing is, you have to make sure when you place your order that it does ship to the Philippines. So today, we're going to do another unboxing. I ordered this, when did I order this? Last Saturday. Today is Friday. So it took 6 days to get here. Go online, track your order, it tells you where it's coming from. It did come from the United States. Started in Oregon, I think. Went to California. Oh, where did it go? Either way, it got here in the Philippines. I tracked it. And less than 6 days. I did do, you have the standard shipping. I paid an extra, I think it was $10 to get it in a certain day. It's actually supposed to be here by August 2nd, but it has arrived today on a Friday. So that's what we got today. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm excited. I know what it is. You guys don't know what it is. So let me do another unboxing here quick. Oh, speaking of, the last video I did, right? If you remember, I got the Tivas. Well, guys, when I ordered them online, I read the reviews, and they always said, and it said, if you wear a size 10.5, order a 10 because they run on the large size. So I'm going thinking, all right, I'm going to order a larger size or a small size, thinking they're going to be on the larger side because all the reviews said that. Wrong. Wrong. I had to ship my Tivas back. I even shipped them. It was simple to do. That was from Lazada. It was simple to do. Just follow the instructions online. They were shipped back. Money received. They put it on your wallet. This is Lazada, not Amazon. Put the money on the wallet. Reordered my Tivas, and they're en route now too. So guys, even Lazada, which is like Amazon, have yet to have a real problem. I did have a problem with Amazon one time. Did order a camera, my Olympus TG6. I ordered my camera, got all the way here to the Philippines, and somehow it just disappeared here in the Philippines. That was the only time I had a problem with Amazon. Contacted Amazon, said, hey, I never received my shipment. Amazon just flat out said, okay, we'll ship you a new one. Or we'll cancel your order and refund your money back to you. So I'm like, yeah, let me cancel the order, refund my money back to me. So when they refunded my money back to me, they gave me a free shipping voucher. So the next day I reordered my Olympus TG6, used the free shipping, and boom, had it shipped over here. That was the only time I ever had a problem with Amazon. Only time. Everything else, no problem. And like Amazon was good. They work with you. So anyways, that's enough of my rambling. Let me get out my trusty dull knife here. It's very light. It's a very light box. Could it be? What could it be? I need to get this thing sharpened. Take it up to the guys up in Angeles City there and have them sharpened. You guys ready? I'm excited. I am excited. You guys ready? Hang on. Let me pop the bubble. I'm like a kid, right? Oh, there's another one. All right, here we go. Oh, wait. Oh, little one. That's it. All right, guys, you ready? You guys ready for this? I decided to get this. I was thinking the other day, I'm like, you know what? Should I get it? Shouldn't I get it? Let me check the reviews. Let me see if it's something I really want. And after checking all the reviews, and about a good day, pros and cons, this and that, I decided to get this. You guys are waiting now, right? The idea of an unboxing, right, is to keep people there until you unbox it, right? The big finale, the big the big unboxing. The key is to keep you guys in suspense. So without further ado, guys, you guys ready for this? Here we go. Here we go. I got the DJI Action Cam 2. That's what I got. That's what I picked up. Shipped from Amazon. Things like this I like to get on Amazon. I don't trust when it comes to electronics like this. You might be saying, well, Philly, you got the GoPro 10. Yes, I do have the GoPro 10. Here it is, the GoPro 10. Right here. The one thing that I dislike about the GoPro 10, and GoPro knows they have a problem, but they just don't seem to care, is they get so hot. They get so hot. And here in the Philippines, everybody knows it's hot. Everybody knows it's hot. These things get so hot, they just shut off. The battery, I put my media mod. You got a media mod that goes on it. And what that media mod does is allows me to connect this up to the GoPro and use my Rode wireless microphone. All right. You cannot connect the Rode wireless microphone or any wireless microphone into the GoPro unless you have the media mod. So GoPro makes it to where, guess what? You got to buy the media mod. But when I have this media mod on and I have this Rode wireless microphone, it gets so hot and it shuts off, and you pull the battery out and the battery is so hot to even hold. Then what happens is your batteries will start swelling because of the heat. Well, now you got to go out and buy another battery. I am not a big fan of this GoPro 10. Matter of fact, Luke might even inherit it. It is a great little camera when it rains, and it's waterproof, but boy, they heat up. They heat up, and like I said, with the media mod and the wireless microphone, the Rode wireless microphone, forget it. It gets so hot. I don't use it. I don't like to use it with the media mod on, which prevents me then from going out and doing moto vlogs, because I put the media mod on, run the wireless microphone, and I can talk to you guys while I do it. And I also have, I'm using the one right now to film with. I have the DJI Pocket, great little camera also, great for at night. Low light, it's very small, but you're still holding something in your hand. That's what's nice about the DJI Action Cam 2. Now, I'm not going to open this all up, though I should make sure it's all there. But you have two units here, a bottom unit, top unit that clip together, but the top unit is very small. You can clip it right on your body. It's a magnet. You don't have to worry about holding anything. And that's one of the things here. And people always say, didn't you ever worry about somebody stealing something from you or grabbing your camera out of your hand? Yes, it goes through my mind, but it doesn't scare me. And you don't want to, I could go out and get a DSLR camera with built-in stabilizers and zooming and this and that, these big cameras, but you're walking around, you're like a target. You're walking around with these big cameras. Nothing wrong if that's how you want to vlog, but to me, you're a target. And I don't want to be a target out there. A lot of people do know me. They know I am a vlogger. But to me, a little camera is great. It's a great thing to vlog with, nothing wrong with it. You don't need these big, huge cameras. They're so big and they're bulky. And other vloggers use them, big vloggers. To me, tiny, small is simple. But I just don't like walking around, with a big, huge camera. It's bad enough people do see you with a camera in your hand and, hey, are you a vlogger? Yeah, I'm a vlogger. They know you're a vlogger. And walking around with your phone, there you go. You got your phone and you're vlogging, and somebody takes that phone. Well, now your phone's gone. Everything in your phone's gone. Your phone numbers, everything in that phone is gone. And these people, they can find a way into your phone. So all your information can be gone. I don't like to use my phone. I have in the past, but I don't like to use that. But I think the DJI Action Cam 2, waterproof. I can get a housing unit, which I will get a housing unit for it, so I can stick my wireless microphone on it. And 4K, if you want to run 4K, 1080, 60, it's all in here. It's all in here. Like I said, I did the reviews on it, and I liked it. Great little camera. And like I said, my next video I will be using the DJI Action 2, and we'll see how it is. We'll see how it is. I don't think there'll be a problem. From everything I've reviewed online, no problem with it. So there's my unboxing. Like I said, Amazon does ship to the Philippines. I got it in 6 days. Maybe if you're living in southern Philippines, Mindanao area, it might take a little longer because you figure everything comes in probably into Manila, and from there it's has to pass through customs and then go to your destination. And we're an hour and a half from Manila. So 6 days, guys, no problems. Amazon ships here. Just check. Make sure the item you're purchasing does ship to the Philippines. And there it is, guys. Next video will be on the Action 2.